Hello everyone, myself Antari from Jorhat Medical College. Today we are going to start with Ncert Biology Class 11, Chapter 3, Kingdom Plenty or Plant Kingdom. Very beginning of the chapter, Whitaker classification system is mentioned here also, so you have to look after this. And one important paragraph is there in this page about fungi and the members of Monera and Protista having cell walls have now been excluded from plenty, though earlier classifications placed them in the same kingdom. This is an important line you have to remember. And again, the cyanobacteria that were referred to as blue-green algae, this alternate name has been asked many times. Cyanobacteria are called blue-green algae, are not algae anymore. You have to remember this. Now, they may ask you about the artificial classification system, such as earlier classification. They were based mainly on vegetative characters. This word you have to remember. An androecium structure system given by Linnaeus. You have to remember who has given the system. This is a probable MCQ, and such system were artificial. Then come the natural classification system. And why the need of natural classification system? Because the vegetative characters are more easily affected by the environment. So natural classification system were developed, which were based on the natural affinities among the organisms. And consider, you have to remember this line because this line has many importance, and other MCQs are coming up. Like consider not only the external feature but also the internal feature, like the ultrastructure, anatomy, embryology, phytochemistry. Such classification for flowering plants given by George Bentham and Joseph Dalton Hooker. Who has given the classification system and what features this natural classification system includes? You have to remember this. Now, at present, the phylogenetic classification system, as I have told earlier in the chapter, based on evolutionary relationship between various organisms, and organisms belonging to the same taxa have common ancestor. These lines have been repeating again and again in different chapters, and these are very important lines, and pet questions can be asked from this line. You should not miss those questions. Now, numerical taxonomy, cytotaxonomy, and chemotaxonomy. These three questions have been asked multiple times in different examinations, including your NEET UG examination. Now, numerical taxonomy, which now easily carried out using computers, is based on all observable characters. You have to remember this term, observable character. And one more sentence is there, which is very important, that each character is given equal importance. At the same time, hundreds of characters can be considered. This sentence has been given in MCQs multiple times, and you have to remember this line. Cytotaxonomy, that is based on cytological information. You have to remember this line. Or chromosome number, they may ask you chromosome number, structure, behavior, and you have to identify this as a cytotaxonomy. And chemotaxonomy uses chemical constituents of the plant to resolve confusion, are also used by taxonomies these days. You have to remember these three terms. And algae we will complete in the next class. Thank you.